Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to enable or disable data switching on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and you will see first option is connection. Click on connection. After click on connection, you will see click on SIM manager. After click on SIM manager and you will see data switching is here. If you want to disable data switching, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, data switching is disabled. If you want to enable data switching, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, data switching is enabled. You will enable or disable data switching from here. After enable or disable data switching, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable data switching on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.